Best folding phones. Are you looking for the best folding phones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best folding phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Motorola Razr Plus. The Motorola Razr Plus is a sleek and stylish foldable smartphone designed for the US market. This model features 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, providing fast multitasking performance and ample room for apps, photos, and videos. It's factory unlocked, making it compatible with most major US carriers for added flexibility. A standout feature of the Razr Plus is its clamshell foldable design, combining nostalgic flip phone appeal with modern smartphone capabilities. The outer display is a large, full-featured 3.6-inch POLED screen, which allows users to interact with notifications, apps, and widgets without unfolding the phone. Once opened, the main display is a 6.9-inch POLED panel with smooth 165 Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors and ultra-fluid scrolling. Camera-wise, the Razr Plus sports a 50MP main sensor, capable of capturing sharp, detailed photos in various lighting conditions. It also includes a 13MP ultra-wide plus macro lens, and a 32MP front-facing camera embedded in the inner screen, making it suitable for selfies and video calls. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, ensuring snappy performance for gaming, media, and multitasking. It runs on Android 14 with Motorola's clean user interface, offering a near-stock Android experience with a few added gestures and features. Battery life is solid for a foldable, with a 3,800 mAh battery and 30W fast charging, plus wireless charging support. The device also includes 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, stereo speakers, and IP52 water resistance. In the midnight blue finish, the Motorola Razr Plus combines modern tech with premium aesthetics, making it one of the most refined clamshell foldables available in 2024. Ideal for users who want innovation, portability, and style in one device. Number 2. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is Google's latest premium foldable smartphone, combining cutting-edge technology with powerful AI features through Gemini, Google's advanced on-device assistant. Designed for multitaskers and tech enthusiasts, this foldable is unlocked and works with most major carriers. The standout feature is its foldable OLED display, offering a tablet-like experience in a compact form. When unfolded, it reveals a large, immersive screen ideal for productivity, streaming, and gaming. The cover display is also fully functional, allowing quick tasks without opening the device. Camera performance is a major highlight, thanks to the advanced triple rear camera system. It includes a high-resolution main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens, all optimized by Google's computational photography. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold excels at capturing vibrant, detailed photos in all lighting conditions, with AI-enhanced features like Real Tone, Night Sight, and Magic Editor. The hands-free video capability allows users to capture content without holding the phone, perfect for creators and group videos. With Gemini, Google's AI assistant is deeply integrated, offering smarter responses, real-time transcription, image-based search, summarization, and enhanced productivity features, all locally processed for privacy and speed. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is powered by the Google Tensor G4 chip, optimized for AI and performance, and comes with 256 GB of storage and a generous amount of RAM for smooth multitasking. It runs on Android 14 with Pixel-exclusive features and long-term software support. The phone also includes 5G connectivity, fast and wireless charging, and biometric security options like Face Unlock and Fingerprint ID. Finished in obsidian black, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold combines futuristic design, smart software, and professional-grade photography in a compact, foldable package. Number 3. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open is a premium foldable smartphone designed for power users and multitaskers, combining flagship hardware with a sleek and functional folding design. This Voyager Black model features 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, offering exceptional performance and ample space for apps, media, and multitasking. The standout feature is its book-style foldable design with a nearly invisible crease and durable hinge. It offers two displays, a 7.82-inch main AMOLED inner screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a 6.31-inch outer AMOLED cover display, making it versatile for both productivity and regular phone use. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, the OnePlus Open handles gaming, multitasking, and heavy apps effortlessly. Its 4,805 mAh battery supports 67W SuperVOOC fast charging, delivering a full charge in about 42 minutes. The phone shines in photography, thanks to its Hasselblad-tuned triple camera system, which includes a 48MP main sensor, 64MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 48MP ultra-wide sensor. These cameras provide excellent detail, color accuracy, and low-light performance. The dual front cameras, one on each display, support sharp selfies and video calls. Running Oxygen OS based on Android, the OnePlus Open offers a clean, highly customizable interface with unique multitasking enhancements like split screen and floating apps optimized for the foldable display. It is US factory unlocked and supports dual SIM, giving flexibility for travel or work purposes. With a premium build, fast charging, strong performance, and a well-executed foldable design, the OnePlus Open stands out as one of the most refined foldable Android smartphones currently available in the US market. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a cutting-edge foldable smartphone designed for users who want a versatile device that combines a large immersive screen with powerful AI features. This Silver Shadow model offers 256 GB of internal storage and comes unlocked for use with any compatible carrier in the US, backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. At its core, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 features a foldable design that opens to reveal a spacious inner AMOLED display around 7.6 inches, perfect for multitasking, gaming, media consumption, and productivity on the go. When folded, the compact outer cover screen enables quick access to apps and notifications without unfolding. A major highlight of the Z Fold 6 is its AI-powered capabilities that enhance user experience. Features like Circle to Search allow intuitive object recognition, letting users quickly identify and search for items in photos or real life. The phone also includes a hands-free live interpreter, a practical tool for real-time language translation during conversations, making it excellent for international travelers or business users. The phone's AI photo editing tools enable automatic enhancements and creative edits, streamlining photo management and improving image quality effortlessly. This aligns with Samsung's commitment to combining hardware excellence with smart software features. Powered by the latest Snapdragon processor and running on Samsung's refined One UI based on Android, the Z Fold 6 offers smooth performance, efficient multitasking, and long battery life. It supports 5G connectivity and includes the typical Galaxy Fold features like S Pen support, optional multitasking windows, and optimized app continuity across screens. With its premium build quality, innovative foldable design, and intelligent AI enhancements, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 provides a futuristic smartphone experience that balances productivity, creativity, and convenience for users who want a device that adapts to their dynamic lifestyle. Number 5. Motorola Razr. The Motorola Razr Unlocked in Spritz Orange is a modern reinterpretation of the iconic flip phone, designed specifically for the US market. Featuring 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, it offers a balanced combination of performance and ample space for apps, photos, and media. The Razr stands out with its compact, foldable design that easily fits in your pocket while delivering a large, flexible inner OLED display that unfolds to around 6.7 inches. This allows for a full smartphone experience when open and quick access to notifications and widgets on the smaller outer screen when folded. The nostalgic clamshell design is combined with modern materials for durability and a premium feel. Equipped with a 50MP main camera, the Motorola Razr captures sharp, vibrant photos with good detail and color accuracy, even in varying light conditions. The camera system supports features like night mode and portrait shots, enabling versatile photography for everyday use. The phone is powered by a capable processor optimized for smooth multitasking and daily tasks such as social media, streaming, and browsing. It runs on Android with Motorola's near-stock user interface, providing a clean and intuitive user experience without bloatware. Battery life is sufficient for typical daily use, and the phone supports fast charging, ensuring you can quickly top up when needed. Being unlocked means it can be used with any compatible US carrier, giving users flexibility whether for work, travel, or personal use. Overall, the Motorola Razr Unlocked in Spritz Orange blends a stylish and compact foldable design with solid performance, a high-resolution camera, and a user-friendly Android experience. It appeals to users who want a distinctive phone that balances nostalgia with modern smartphone capabilities in a vibrant, eye-catching color.